direct progeny of the academics and research endeavors carried out at the institutions of higher training and learnings. As such, the universities have become the prime source of ideas that are increasingly being translated into viable market commodities in the shape of products, processes, and procedures. More than 75% of patents registered in the US have their origin in the universities. The university-industry linkage and industry-academic collaboration and partnership increases the possibility to convert the knowledge and innovative ideas into commercial undertakings. In developed countries, the higher education institutions are increasingly creating spin-off companies, and the technology parks are increasingly being created and clustered around credible universities and research outfits. The level of interaction with the industry in various forms has become one very important measure of credibility of any academic institution abroad. Ladies and gentlemen, in Pakistan, our country, there is a dire need for making relevance between the functional knowledge and education that can be readily converted into commercial undertakings. The universities have to increase their focus to tailor the research to address the growing needs of the local industry to produce functional science and engineering workforce. It is not to say that the knowledge of basic sciences has become irrelevant, but there is a great need to converting this abstract knowledge from basic sciences into very strong commercial products. Because the societies are becoming more and more knowledgeable intensive and information accessibility, businesses that are based on very specialized knowledge and stay at the cutting edge of the technology are likely to be more competitive and certainly more profitable in the long run than traditional businesses. Here I would like to give an example. In our country, we have numerous institutions which are known as vocational institutes, technical educational institutes, colleges, universities, but they are treading on their own individual paths and their individual tracks without knowing what the others are doing. It has to have a necessary linkage between them which is missing. I have seen and heard in my own career that whenever asked to them that what the other sister institution is doing or what their parent institution supposedly to be doing, they are unaware. So whatever is required by the industrialist, by the end user, is not being transformed into our educational institutions, in our training institutes, or even vocational training institutes.